Now, the recommended trades. So you can keep buy limit order. You can keep a buy limit order in the case of euro 1.1218 with the exit level of 1.1275 and a sell stop at 1.1176. They are expected to make a brief downward stop, and in the case of euro, yesterday they just made the drop, so they will just make a downward stop before making a rise. So at that time, to try to catch, we'll be able to make a swing trade. As I told you, this week we'll come across the mid-month trend reversal, so we can only do the swing trade. We cannot afford to do the position trade. Then in the case of GBP 1.3277, you can keep your buy limit order. When they make a downward push during the European session, you can just buy it, and afterwards they are expected to gain, then you can book profit. And again, if they make an upward push during that of the early part of the European session, you can take a sell and keep the sell hedge order, buy hedge order. So it should be other way about. I wrongly entered. So it should be a buy stop above that of the high when they make an upward stop, and this is a sell stop below that of the buy. What you are going to do it, that way you can do either way swing trades. In the case of yen, when they come down to 101.42 area, they could make a brief downward stop, and you can watch and buy around that level and keep the hedge order at 101.11, and then they are expected to gain again and make an upward move above that of 102. At the time, you can book profit. Then in the case of Aussie, they came down to 75.38, and I kept the buy limit at 75.35. So when they make a brief downward push, you watch and buy around that 75.40, and then keep 75.80 as the exit order and 74.80 as the hedge order to limit the risk. You should be able to gain profit.